Yemyejemure yatere district zirimu ya Bundibugyo hamwe n'eya Kasese omu bwire bw'enjura erikugwa bwa hati. Bwanyuma y'enjura ebinegwa munonga omu ihango bwa hati, district ya Kasese hamwe na district ya Bundibugyo nizimwe hazitungira obuzibu bw'amaani bwanyuma y'emyejemure okwetororera kimwe mu districts ezi okuteera abantu.
Wano nga tulina ebizibu tuli mu budde bw'entalo z'abakonyo n'ebinankanye n'ebyaliwo musisi gw'amazzi nagwo nigujja nigutukuba alhamdulillah ekigero kya Katonda tetulina kyakutukolera kale gavumenti yagamba nti tusenguke tuve muno tugende tetulina okusengukira kubanga lino ly'ettaka lyaffe lye tulinawo lyokka kale bonawo ng'ogamba nti ogende eri mu kyalo osobola kugamba nti obeerewo nawe ng'omuntu ennaku zino buli omu alina ettima ogenda kuteeka
mbaikara muno hanu ekizibu eky'abantu abali hano abaingi tibaine na mbere bakwikara amako gabo abandi hano bakagura hano amataka gabo kugira abwisenkuru babo bakyali hano tibaine handi na mbere bashaka kugamba bagenda kuombeka nicyo kireka abantu hati sabe nosanga bali hano kandi tibaine na mbere bakugenda.
Emyejemure egi teratahirire majigo konka ikatahirira n'emisiri y'abantu oteireho nahi babere nibabika ebyokurya ekireetera abaturage banyangarra.
Related to heavy rainfall, the common disasters we experience is flooding, like on this river Kirumia. We also experience landslides almost in all the entire 27 local governments of this district. We have severe soil erosion and to some extent we have river bursting.
Omuhurire ekitongole kya Food and Agriculture Organization FAO zigenderere kushagika abantu mu district ezi okuba kubasa kuhonika ebyokurya bwe bari kwetebekanisiza obwire nk'obu.
Natural river flow because they encounter so much pollution to the water. The local government should emphasize sensitization to the local community. They should create a buffer zone towards these natural features to maintain the purity of the water. That is for water consumption and use to the community members.
To remove this soil from this water, it has helped us. The water not to go in the town, but we still need support to them because this is not enough for the people.
Enshumike hingwire gavumenti erikurabira mu ministry y'ebyemirimo mu ihanga ekarangirira kwetenga sente za Uganda eziri kwingana biliyoni 5.8 omukunduze nguuto zona ezasisirwa amaizi omu njura egi egwire mu ihanga lyona.